Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to auto-click on Android Mobile. First, go to Google Play Store. Search auto-clicker in the search bar. Tap on the auto-clicker automatic tap and download. Open the app and tap on OK for the accessibility service. You will find different options here and tap on installed services. Tap on auto-clicker and turn on the auto-clicker option. You have to allow the auto-clicker to have control of your phone. Go back to the auto-clicker app and tap on Enable in the multi-target mode. You can also enable the single target mode instead of multi-target mode. Tap on the wheel icon to open the settings on the left side. You can set the time interval between each click. Tap on the play button on the left side to start the auto-clicker. Go to the home screen of your mobile and you will see the auto-clicker options on the left side. Open any app like Messages and move the pointer to the place you want to tap. It will auto-click on the screen after the interval you set. You just have to move the pointer you want to tap. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos.